about 3 hours of sleep thanks to adrenaline. But I'm feeling really good now, and I'm really excited for the rest of the day.
Like I'd been sleeping, and I awoke to find the snow. My heart was leaping.
The purpose of relationships is not to have another who might complete you, but to have another with whom you might share your completeness. Raven and Aaron have each prepared their own vows to exchange today.
Aaron, I promise to honor you as the wonderful and unique human being you are, and to build a household with you based on love, respect, and lots of bad jokes.
I love you. I love waking up and finding you close by. I love knowing you'll be home from work not too long after me. I love seeing your face after you've been traveling. 5. I stand in awe and admiration of your ability to consume every nutritionally viable portion of a chicken wing.
It's true.
Our father used to tell me that I would never get married because he had to spend my entire dowry to convince Aaron to finally marry Raven.